Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to create a little project that prints out characters from a website, and basically we're going to print out the first 100 characters from a website. So before we do that, you need to import this program here and then call it. It's called LWP Simple. So you need this on board. If you've not already got it on board, you'll have to install this through CPAN. Okay, so I'm going to come down here. I'm going to create, let's have a look. Ooh, I'm going to actually save this, I think, to a text file. So I'm going to have to create a scalar path to my desktop because I'm going to save it on my desktop. So that's going to be C. Mark desktop. Okay, this is the path to my desktop on Windows. Your desktop path will be different to this, so you'll have to find your own unique desktop path. So we use CHDIR there to change to the desktop path. Then I'm going to create a subroutine called page words or characters. So just come down here and we're going to print a message to the user telling the user what to do. Enter URL, and then we're going to do chomp. It's going to be my scalar URL is equal to standard input. So we're going to get the input from the user. So we're going to tell the user to enter a URL then. Now we're going to create my scalar content, which is a scalar variable. Whoops, it's wrong. My scalar content. I'm going to assign it to get and scalar URL. So we're going to get the content from the URL. Then we're going to print another message to the user telling the user to enter number of chars characters. So the user is going to have to enter the number of characters they want from the website, and then of course we're going to use the chomp line here, my scalar. I'm just going to call this chars, assign it to standard input. So what the user will do then is type in the number of characters they want to get from the website. And now I'm going to create my scalar output. I'm going to assign that to substring, then it's going to be scalar content, and we're going to start from 0. So we're going to start from 0 here, and then we're going to go scalar chars characters there. So basically we're going to start from 0 on the page, and we're going to type in the number of characters we want to extract from that page. So start from 0, and you can extract as many characters as you want. You can extract 1 character or 500 or whatever you want, any amount you want from that page. Now we're going to create a text file that we're going to save on the desktop with the characters in. So open my, I'm going to say scalar file handler here. I'm going to do this character, which will create and write to a file. And then we're going to give the file a name, chars.txt, because it's going to be a txt file. And then we're going to do an error handler in case something goes wrong, which is or die, and then just a generic error message, error I'm just going to call it file error just to make it nice and short as an example here. File error. And right. And then what we do is we print the file handler here, scalar FH, file handler, and the output. It's the output. And then we close it once we've finished. Close the scale file handler. And right, that's what we're going to do there. So I might do an else statement here as well. Let's have a look. Nah. Yeah, else. Let's say print error fetching. Okay, I think I've got a little bit, might have a problem with this program with one of the curly braces, so we shall see, we shall see. And we call the program page words here. Right, let's just run that. Okay, yeah, I thought I had an error with the program. Okay, I forgot to do something here, so very, very important. So here, what I should have done is if defined scalar content okay, and we're going to create another curly brace there. That should fix the problem. So basically, if the content is there, then we're going to start from 0 and we're going to pull so many characters off, and then we're going to save it into a txt file on the desktop. So let's run the program. Okay, this is looking better. So let's enter a URL. So that's going to be https example.com. Hit enter. Enter the number of characters. I'm just going to say 100. Hit enter. Okay. Let's have a look if it's made that. So we've got the file here, chars. Let's just open it up. And there we go. It's pulled the characters off for us. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.